waived arraignment. So
What is this?
I think he was unclear whether he had been arraigned already or not. I don't think he.
He looks familiar.
Okay.
I think I've arraigned him. Yeah. Okay, this is cause number 23CCCR 0183 case of style of state of Texas versus Thad Jason Stein. Mr. Stein, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Stein?
Good.
That's good, Mr. Stein. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney B. Eric Franklin. Attorney Franklin, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank you.
You welcome. And state is represented in this case by Attorney Eric Porter. Ms. Porter, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, yeah.
And Mr. Stein, what is your announcement? And Mr. Franklin, what is your announcement in Mr. Stein's case?
Judge, we are not ready. We have not received all media discovery.
Okay,
I've emailed Mr. Hoffpower that we still need that.
okay. So how much time do you need?
Judge, we would ask for 2 months.
60 days? Okay, give us a 60-day reset.
What about November 6th? Is that okay?
That's fine.
We are at
Okay,
the leisure of the court.
okay. Cases be reset to November 6, 2023. Give you an opportunity to get the media discovery. Mr. Stein, your attorney is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Attorney Franklin, you'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day. She'll give you a reset.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Next case is cause number M332182. Case is style of state of Texas versus Barry Dwayne Nash. Mr. Nash, your full name is Barry Dwayne Nash. How you doing, Mr. Nash? That's good. Mr. Nash, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Mark Faggart. Attorney Faggart, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor.
And Mr. Faggart, what is your announcement in this case? I see that this is the last reset before trial setting.
We have not had an opportunity to visit with Mr. Hoffpower about an offer on this case. We wanted to visit with him. If he's not here.
Is he here today?
He's coming. He
Okay.
should be up in the next 5-10 minutes.
Okay, what I'll do, I'll just hold on this here.
Okay.
Okay, give you a second.
Now, will the next setting be a trial setting?
Yeah, that's what the note says here. It says last reset before trial setting.
Okay.
Apparently, that's what we talked about at the last.
Yeah, we may just go ahead and, how long out will we be on trial setting? How many days?
Give me 1 second. It'll be sometime in October 23rd or October 3rd.
When would that be?
Yeah, October 23rd, October 30th.
I think I'm set on the 23rd or the 30th. What about early November? Seems like my brain tells me I got something going on those things.
Hmm.
Maybe we can see what we can work out between now and then.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and calls number M320880. Case of style of state of Texas versus Roberto Abraham Alfaro. Roberto Abraham Alfaro is scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. this morning for a contested motion to revoke probation hearing. At or about 9 a.m., the court's barely called the name of Roberto Abraham Alfaro at the courthouse door. Mr. Alfaro did not answer. Mr. Alfaro was instructed at the last hearing that he needed to be here in person. Mr. Alfaro's attorney is Attorney Ricardo Ramos. Attorney Ramos is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Ramos, how are you doing?
Good morning, Judge. It's actually Mr. Torres. I'm here for Mr. Ramos. He's my law partner, Judge. And yes, Judge, that is correct. I tried to reach out to Mr. Alfaro multiple times. Ultimately, he told me he had no way to get down to Beaumont and was not going to make it. I informed the state yesterday by email that the contested MTR was not going to be necessary as he was not going to appear. And Judge, sorry for the actions of Mr. Alfaro. I wish he would be able to be more mature about it. But nevertheless, Judge, I understand that you will have to take action on that. And so we ask that you potentially do a bond increase as opposed to a bond forfeiture, Judge, only because we are on that bond. But if you decline that, then I completely understand your reasoning behind it.
Okay. Now, the time now is 9:18 a.m. on today's date of September 13th of 2023. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Roberto Alfaro again at the courthouse door?
Roberto Alfaro. Roberto Alfaro. No response.
Okay, state, do you have a motion?
Statement responsible.
That motion will be granted. Roberto Alfaro was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. He did not appear. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Alfaro opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State has moved for a bond forfeiture. The court is going to grant that bond forfeiture and a warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Roberto Alfaro. And Mr. Torres?
Yes, Your Honor.
This will conclude this case.
Your Honor, I just have a question, if by chance. If we file a motion to withdraw, Judge, do we have to appear in Jefferson County in front of you?
No, yes, you would have. I mean, Roberto Alfaro, normally on the bond forfeitures, we have to show that Mr. Farrow has notice, and so he has to appear as well. His warrant for his arrest, so he yeah.
Of course, Judge, and that was expected, is what I warned him.
Parties has to be involved, right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay, Judge. Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome. Okay, court is in session of cause number M309788 and cause number M310654. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Danny Lynn Johnson. Ms. Johnson is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Johnson,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you doing?
I'm okay, Your Honor. I'm sick, but I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Now, Ms. Johnson, I know you had called in on yesterday
Yes, sir.
and probably wanted to talk to our court administrator about your condition. Now, this case is going to be reset. You need to be here in person on that next court date.
Okay, I'm 5 hours away. I'm on disability and no transportation, but I will do everything I can, Your Honor. Absolutely everything I can to get there.
Well, you need to be here. This case has been on the docket for a while. And you
Yes, sir.
need,
I was incarcerated. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry. I was incarcerated during this time that in
Oh,
question.
okay. Now, Miss Johnson, you need to be here in person, then we can, at that point, we'll be able to take care of your case. Now, you have a right to have an attorney if you cannot afford an attorney. An attorney will be appointed to represent you. If you can't afford an attorney, you can hire an attorney. The other thing is, if you want to waive your right to have an attorney, you have a right to do that, as long as you sign a waiver of counsel for purposes of entering a guilty plea proceeding in the trial. So at this point, your case is going to be reset. Give us a court date. Okay, this case is going to be reset to October 18th of 2023. Again, you need to be here in person. Court is, we'll be praying that you have a full and speedy recovery from your sickness.
Thank you, sir.
This is your notice, your bondsman. And we'll also be giving notice of your reset date. Okay?
I appreciate it. Sir, how do I go about getting an attorney? Do I need to call the public defender's office?
No. If you think that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, you have to appear in person. And then there's some paperwork that you have to sign. It's called a Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. And then the proper person will determine, based on the information that you provide in the affidavit of indigence, whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that has to be done here in court.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So October the 18th.
2023 at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Mr. Patel,
Yes, Your Honor.
your attorney, Mr. Macon, is currently in trial in another court. And so he can't be in this court at the same time. And so your case has been reset. He called in yesterday to have your case reset. What is that date again? It's reset until September 27th. Stay in contact with his office.
Okay,
Okay, September 27th, 2023, 9 a.m. Stay in contact with his office for more information.
okay, I will do. Thank you, sir.
All right, you're good to go, and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thanks.
Is that Mr. Dixon?
I think he stepped out.
Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in clause number M333026. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Robert Langston Dixon. Mr. Dixon, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Dixon?
Fine, and you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Dixon, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams. Mr. Adams is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm here, Judge. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Adams, Mr. Dixon's case is on the court's announcement docket. What is your announcement?
Hey, Judge, on this case, I did secure online discovery. I did meet with my client in June on the case. However, if you look at your court's file, I think the file has the probable cause affidavit in it for the court. And in the file, if you look at the third paragraph, it said I was later assigned to this case and observed the surveillance videos and then forward them to the agencies, etc. The only thing that I do not have as a part of the file is the video surveillance videos. And in the second paragraph, it says surveillance video revealed that a black male crawled underneath the van over the previous weekend, removed items from underneath. Those videos, I think I sent an email to Karen in the DA's office, as well as I believe is Miss Fontenot is their secretary. So if they wouldn't mind just giving me those DVDs. And then I also got the media evidence form, and that is a part of their online discovery. And it says that they have 2 USBs, one original and one copy. So if they can just get me that USB, I'm assuming that that's going to have the video on it.
If it's, yeah, I can
Uh,
ask the office to see if it's ready for pickup. If so, you can just pick it up on the 3rd floor.
Okay, well, yeah, because I sent Karen and I think the other lady name is Miss Fontenot, both emails on that.
Okay, well, I'll check in with the office today to verify it's ready for pickup, and you can just pick it up.
Okay, that'll be fine. If y'all just let me know when it's ready, I'll be happy to come up there.
Listen,
Hey, what's up?
2 copies, man. That means that one other copy is yours. It's there.
All right, that's
So it's
well.
no
Say it
copy.
again now.
If there's 2 copies of the USB, that means one's for the defense, one's for the state. It's there. Just go get it. There's no
I'm
copy.
telling you, I sent emails. That's what you're not listening to, and I didn't. They'd have normally I get a text message or response saying come pick up there in the front desk. I just don't go to DA's office saying, hey, give me a video. I send the emails asking for them. And normally Renee will send a text message and she will say, come to the front desk and pick up. I just don't go up there and just show up, Kobe.
I'll check today and I'll get back. I'll send an email. Okay?
Okay, so yeah, so y'all just let me know and just shoot me an email.
All right.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to November 6th of 2023. Give you an opportunity to get the videos that you need. And Mr. Adams, your reset will be sent to you. And Mr. Dixon, you can get your reset here in the courtroom. Once you get your reset in the courtroom, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. And you can go stand in front of our court administrator. And then Mr. Adams, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all.
You're welcome.
All right.